Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through likely questions I do receive from people, like can I send money from Amazon Pay to bank account? Yes, you can transfer money from Amazon Pay to your bank account, but it depends on your country and the type of Amazon Pay balance you have. And here is how you can do it. The first thing to know is to transfer Amazon Pay balance to your bank if available. So if available in your region, here is how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open the Amazon app, then go to the Amazon Pay and click on Amazon Pay balance, then tap on send money, then click select to bank account, then enter the amount in details, the account number, the FSC code, and other important details or credential. Then confirm the transfer, usually instant or within 24 hours, and that's how you can send money from Apple Pay to bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.